Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve an Amazon temporarily locked account issue. If you've been locked out of your account, this can be frustrating, but the fix is usually straightforward once you know where to look. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to access your account area. Move your cursor over to the top right corner of the page where it says Accounts and Lists. Hover over this section and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where Amazon will typically display any account issues you might be experiencing. Now, instead of trying to log in directly, look for the option that says Need Help. This is usually located just below the Sign In button and is designed specifically for situations like this where you're having trouble accessing your account. Click on it to proceed to the troubleshooting options. On the next screen, you'll see an upper left panel with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and scroll through the options until you find My Account is on Hold. Select this option, as it's specifically designed to address temporary account locks and holds that Amazon places for security reasons. At this point, Amazon will provide you with their contact number. If you prefer speaking directly with a representative to resolve the issue faster, you can call them using the number displayed on the screen. This can often speed up the verification process, especially if your account requires immediate attention. However, if you'd like to explore the issue further before making a call, look for the hyperlink that says Regain Access to an Account on Hold. Click on this link to view more detailed information about why your account was locked and what specific steps Amazon recommends to restore access. Take your time to review all the information provided on this page, as it will often include specific instructions tailored to your account's situation. Here's an important thing to note. If selecting My Account is on Hold doesn't fully resolve your issue, the lock is usually being treated as an account review or security hold. In these cases, the fix isn't simply resetting your password. Instead, you'll need to complete Amazon's verification request, which might include providing additional identity documents or answering security questions to confirm you're the legitimate account owner. Once you've followed the verification steps Amazon provides, your account should be restored within a short period. And that's how you solve an Amazon temporarily locked account issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.